Hello, and welcome to drillingcontractor.org. This is Karen Bowman at the 2018 Offshore Technology Conference in Houston, Texas. Trelleborg Offshore is launching a new solution that addresses vortex-induced vibration migration, or VIV migration. I'm speaking today with Anthony Croston, Business Group Director for Trelleborg, about this new solution, helically grooved buoyancy with VIV suppression. How are you doing today, Anthony?
Very well, thank you. It's a busy day, but we're holding it together.
That's good to hear. First, I wanted to ask you about the challenges that VIV migration poses to offshore drilling.
Sure, I think it's a question of operability. So VIV occurs when a drilling riser is deployed in a high current, and that can cause vibration of the riser, which can damage wellhead equipment and drilling equipment as well. And it can limit the amount of time that a vessel can actually be deployed on the well. And when the current goes above a certain level, the vibration gets above a certain level and the vessel can no longer operate. So it's effectively wasted money when a drilling vessel's there on site that cannot drill. So it's a major problem for contractors and operators.
Can you talk about how VIV migration has been addressed in the past, and how does Trelleborg's solution address the issue?
Yeah, there's a number of ways in which VIV can be addressed. Number one is the contractor can actually change the tension in its riser to improve the performance, but they can only do that up to a certain amount, and that changes the resonance of the riser under the current conditions. Another way to do it is to attach fairings to the riser, which is effectively a riser fin which goes on the outside of it. But this can seriously hamper the ability to run and retrieve the riser, because it takes up to 4 times longer to deploy a riser with fairings. So it means that when conditions are getting bad, they have to disconnect the riser earlier, because it takes so much longer to pull the riser outside of the zone of problematic. So the way we're addressing it is we're making the solution integral to the buoyancy, so you don't have to add any equipment onto it, and it becomes part of the module. So the running time is the same, but the performance in terms of VIV mitigation is the same, if not better, than a fairing.
That sounds fascinating. Can you talk about what led Trelleborg to partner with Diamond Offshore to develop this solution?
Yeah, we've had a long, great relationship with Diamond, and we've manufactured a lot of buoyancy in the past for them. And they came to us quite a while ago now, probably 7 years ago, to tell us about the design that they had in mind, but they wanted a way to make it real. They wanted a way to manufacture it. So we worked with them to make it manufacturable in the elements in a cost-effective way. And we made some prototypes for them, tested them, they were successful. And then we had an exclusive licensing agreement with them so that we can manufacture it now for any of the drilling contractors or operators in the world. And then we've taken it on to the next level, where we've actually done some more testing, some qualification programs from our own kind of point of view to really qualify the design so that the wider industry can take it forward.
That's really fascinating. Thank you so much for speaking with us today, Anthony.
That's absolutely my pleasure. Thank you.
And thank you, viewers, for joining us at drillingcontractor.org.